Femboy beauty has gained tremendous popularity in recent years, combining soft, feminine elements with the sleek, unique aesthetic of masculine traits. Whether you're someone who embraces this style full-time or simply enjoys exploring gender expression through beauty routines, looking your best as a femboy can help you feel more confident and radiant. In this video, we'll explore 7 easy ways to enhance your femboy beauty routine instantly. These tips will help you maintain a glowing complexion, achieve a flawless makeup look, and embrace individuality in the way you present yourself. Let's dive into these beauty hacks designed to take your femboy style to the next level. Number 1. Baby your skin with baby products. Taking care of your skin is the foundation of any beauty routine, and when it comes to achieving smooth, soft skin, baby products are a hidden gem. Why? Baby products are formulated to be gentle, non-toxic, and free of harsh chemicals, making them ideal for sensitive or easily irritated skin. Baby products are designed for the most sensitive skin, babies. This makes them perfect for femboys who want to avoid harsh chemicals and synthetic fragrances that could irritate the skin. Baby lotions and creams are often loaded with moisturizing ingredients that help keep your skin soft and supple. Ingredients like shea butter and glycerin lock in moisture, making your skin look more radiant and feel incredibly soft. Products like baby oil and baby lotion are generally hypoallergenic, meaning they are less likely to cause breakouts or rashes. Incorporating baby products into your skincare routine is a simple way to ensure your skin stays soft and youthful without any harsh ingredients. Number 2. Embrace Japanese and Korean brands. If you're into skincare, you've probably heard about the magic of Japanese J-beauty and Korean beauty K-beauty products. These beauty trends are known for their innovative, gentle ingredients and luxurious textures. What makes J-beauty and K-beauty special is their focus on natural, effective ingredients that hydrate and protect the skin without clogging pores. Both Japanese and Korean beauty routines prioritize moisture, which is essential for keeping your skin plump and glowing. Many J-beauty and K-beauty products use natural extracts like green tea, rice water, and snail mucin, which are known for their healing and hydrating properties. While it may seem like a lot of work, J-beauty and K-beauty focus on layering lightweight products like essences and serums for maximum hydration. This technique keeps your skin looking dewy and fresh. By embracing Japanese and Korean skincare products, you'll notice an improvement in your skin's texture, hydration, and overall health, giving you that radiant, glass skin look that's highly sought after. Number 3. Master minimal makeup. When it comes to makeup, less is often more, especially for femboys looking to accentuate their natural beauty while maintaining a soft, feminine look. The key to mastering minimal makeup is focusing on enhancing your best features without going overboard. Instead of piling on foundation, contour, and layers of product, minimal makeup allows your natural beauty to shine through. Instead of transforming your entire look, minimal makeup highlights your natural beauty. This can help you achieve a more polished and refined appearance. A minimal makeup routine is perfect for those days when you're short on time but still want to look put together. Heavy makeup can clog pores and lead to breakouts. Minimal makeup reduces the chances of skin irritation while still helping you look your best. Opt for a lightweight foundation or BB cream to even out your skin tone without looking cakey. Tinted moisturizers are also a great option. Use a light contour to define your cheekbones, jawline, and nose. Be sure to blend well for a natural, sculpted look. A soft lip tint and a touch of blush can add color to your face without looking overdone. Go for shades that complement your natural skin tone, such as soft pinks and peach tones. Minimal makeup is all about enhancing your natural beauty with just a few key products, giving you a flawless look without the need for heavy makeup. Number 4. Splurge on soothing skincare. While baby products and minimal makeup are great for a simple routine, it's essential to invest in high-quality skincare that soothes and nourishes your skin. A good skincare regimen can make all the difference in how your makeup applies and how your skin looks naturally. Premium skincare products often contain higher concentrations of active ingredients that provide better results. Soothing skincare products calm irritated skin, reduce redness, and prevent breakouts, making your skin look flawless even without makeup. Investing in skincare now can prevent fine lines, wrinkles, and other signs of aging, ensuring your skin stays youthful for years to come. Aloe vera. Known for its soothing and hydrating properties, aloe vera is perfect for calming irritated or sunburned skin. Hyaluronic acid. This powerful humectant attracts moisture to your skin, keeping it hydrated and plump. Niacinamide. This multitasking ingredient helps to reduce redness, calm inflammation, and improve your skin's texture. Investing in soothing skincare products will ensure that your skin stays soft, smooth, and glowing all year round. Number 5. Beauty sleep. One of the most underrated beauty tips is ensuring you get enough beauty sleep. Not only is sleep essential for your overall health, but it also plays a crucial role in keeping your skin looking fresh, clear, and radiant. Your skin repairs itself while you sleep, so getting enough rest ensures your skin can heal from any damage or irritation. A lack of sleep can lead to dark circles and puffiness under the eyes, making you look tired and older. When you're well rested, your skin has a natural glow that no skincare product can replicate. Try to go to bed and wake up at the same time every day to ensure your body gets the rest it needs. Silk pillowcases are gentler on your skin and hair, helping to prevent wrinkles and hair breakage. Apply a hydrating night cream before bed to help your skin repair itself overnight. Look for ingredients like retinol, peptides, and hyaluronic acid to boost collagen production and hydration. Beauty sleep is truly a secret weapon in any beauty routine. By prioritizing your rest, you'll wake up with glowing, refreshed skin that requires minimal effort to maintain. Number 6. Learn the art of fasting. Intermittent fasting has been a hot topic in health and wellness circles, but did you know it can also benefit your skin and beauty routine? By giving your digestive system regular breaks, you can help your body detox, reduce inflammation, and improve your skin's clarity. Fasting can help reduce breakouts by giving your body a chance to detox and clear out impurities. Fasting helps lower inflammation, which can reduce redness and puffiness in the skin. When your body isn't focused on digesting food constantly, you'll have more energy, which translates to a brighter, more vibrant complexion. If you're new to fasting, start by trying intermittent fasting. For example, fast for 16 hours and eat within an 8-hour window. Drink plenty of water, herbal teas, or black coffee during your fasting period to stay hydrated and keep your skin glowing. Fasting isn't for everyone, so be sure to listen to your body and only fast if it feels right for you. Learning the art of fasting can improve your skin, boost your energy, and help you feel more radiant from the inside out. Number 7. Don't be a trend follower. In a world of ever-changing beauty trends, it can be tempting to try every new product or style that pops up on social media. However, true beauty comes from understanding what works best for you and sticking to a routine that enhances your individual look. Trends come and go, but finding a routine that makes you feel beautiful and confident will last a lifetime. Embrace what makes you unique instead of trying to fit into every trend. This will help you develop your signature look, which is far more memorable than following the crowd. By sticking to what works for you, you can simplify your beauty routine and focus on products and techniques that give you consistent results. While it's fun to try new trends, always be mindful of whether a particular product or style works for your skin type, face shape, and personal style. Once you find products and techniques that enhance your natural beauty, make them a staple in your routine. Beauty isn't just about following trends, it's about taking care of yourself, inside and out. By avoiding trend chasing and focusing on what works best for you, you'll develop a unique beauty routine that highlights your individuality and makes you feel your best. Your beauty routine is a reflection of who you are, and as a femboy, embracing femininity and individuality through skincare and makeup is a powerful way to express yourself. By incorporating these 7 easy beauty tips into your routine, you'll notice an instant improvement in your appearance and confidence. Remember, beauty is about consistency, self-care, and finding what works best for you. Whether you're experimenting with new skincare products, mastering minimal makeup, or simply getting more beauty sleep. The key is to enjoy the process and embrace your natural beauty. Stay true to yourself, invest in self-care, and watch your femboy glow up unfold. Finally, we would like to express our gratitude for watching till the end. We hope you found the video valuable and informative. If so, please show your appreciation by hitting the like button and leaving us a comment below. We are eager to hear from you. In the end, we have a humble request to you. We are trying hard to keep you enlightened and empowered by creating awesome videos like this. Please support us by joining our membership program. The link is in the description. Your little contribution will inspire us to make more awesome content for you like this. The next video will be published tomorrow, so don't miss it. Till then, take care. More wisdom, more solutions, better life.